How to fix WhatsApp unable to backup message problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to fix WhatsApp unable to backup message problem on Android. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. For that, open Play Store or App Store. Sign into your account and then search for the WhatsApp application using the search bar at top of the screen. If you see the updates button for WhatsApp Messenger, tap on update button and update it to the latest version. This will help us to fix different kinds of bugs and glitches from the device application. Exit from this page and after a while you need to tap and hold WhatsApp. Tap on I button to access the app info section of WhatsApp. Tap storage uses and clear cache. Come back to the same app info page of WhatsApp. Tap permissions option and make sure that you allow all the apps permissions on WhatsApp, especially photos and videos and camera option. Come back to the same page or the home screen of your device. And after a while, you need to launch the WhatsApp application. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and then select settings. Scroll down and then locate the option for chats, open it, and you have to select chat backup and then backup all your files and folders on WhatsApp and fix WhatsApp unable to backup message problem on Android. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.